How to get HSBC bank statement online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get HSBC bank statement online. For this, you can download the HSBC banking app on your device, or you can also open up any web browser and head over to hsbc.co.uk. Once you get here, you first of all want to log into your account. For that, tap on the log on option. Now it will bring you to this page. Here you will have to enter your username. After that, tap on the continue option. Then you will have to enter your password and then you will be successfully logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you want to use the quick links menu and select the statements option. Now, you want to choose the statement type. Then, you want to select the year and month to download the statement on your device. If you are using the mobile banking app, you want to tap on the view more option and then tap on view statements. Now, choose the month you want to view in order to download it in your device. Now, with online banking, you are able to view your statement, download your statement, print your statement, and share your statement. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.